mod x minus 1 mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 5. Next, these are all modulus functions which are added and the difference is also in AP. Let me do mod x minus 1 plus mod x minus 3 plus mod x minus 5 plus mod x minus 7. Let us draw mod x minus 1. Let us draw the graph. If x equivalent to 1, this is 0, this is 2, this is 4. What is 2 plus 4? 6. If x is 3, this is 2, this is 0, 3 minus 5, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. If x is 5, 4 plus 2, 0, this is 6. Can I say the graph is like this? This is value 3 comma 6. Sorry, 3 comma 4. This is 1 comma 6. This is 5 comma 6. What is the minimum value for this expression? 4. What is the minimum value for this expression? 4. At what value? 3. That means if this equation equivalent to 4, how many values x can take? Only one value. What is that value? X equivalent to 3. Are you all with me? For this equation, how many values x will take? Only one value. If the number of modulus functions added are odd, I will get a unique value for x. Suppose if x is 1, what is the value? 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6. How much I will get? 12. If x is 3, how much I will get? 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 4. How much I will get? 8. If x is 5, still I will get 4, 2, 0, 2. How much I will get? 8. Right? If x is 7, how much I will get? 6 plus 4 plus. How much it is? 2. How much I will get? 12. That means the value will be like this: 3 comma 8, 5 comma 8. This is 1 comma 12. This is 7 comma 12. Are you all with me, sir? Right. That means if this question is 8, if this question is 8, how many values x will take? No. How many values x will take? From 3 to 5. From 3 to 5 it will take. How many values? 3 values. Are you all with me? Right? Suppose for x equivalent to 12, how many values? 1. Y value 12, 1 and everything. Similarly, draw the graph. Right. Now see the question. Now see, you got the answer. What is the question? X minus 10. I hope it is clear, right? If the number of modulus functions added are even, I will get the range for x. What is that range? Range is from 3 to 4. Right? Now, once you understand this one, then directly you can say that answer. Please read that question. Please remember, if the number of modulus functions added are odd, I will get a unique value for x to get the minimum value for the expression. If the number of modulus functions added are even, I will get the range for x. And the range for x is at the median value of x. Range for x is at the median value of x. Either he will ask you the minimum value of the expression or he will put a right hand side. Now, once you understand this, then our question becomes very easier. Please read the question. Please tell me the question. Mod x minus 10, mod x minus 10, mod x minus 20, mod x minus 30, mod x minus 40. This is the question. Equivalent to one value is there. We will see that value later. X is 10. 10 minus 10, 0. D is 10. D is 20. D is 30. D is 60. X is 20. This is 10. 0. 10. 20. What is this value? 40. X is 30. 20. D is 10. D is 0. 10. What is this value? 40. X is 40. D is again 30 plus 20 plus 10. 60. That means what is the expression? D is the expression. D is 20 comma 40. D is 30 comma 40. D These 10 comma 60, these 40 comma 60. That means what is the right hand side that is given value? 40. 40 means how many values? From 20 to 30. From 20 to 30. Please put a star mark on that questions. 11 values. 11 values.